Namaskar and Jai Hind. Today we are going to discuss about Zscaler file type control. Then I will create bandwidth control and from there I will go on one by one. See what is file type control. First we need to know what is file. A file that is have some extension means there is two things, file and folder. File we have some extension like .txt, .exe, .dll, everything are represent as a file. Correct? So that need to be controlled. Why you need to file type control? The question will become arise because we have different types of file. So what we are going to do here to restrict upload and download. If someone can wants to upload something, then sometime what happened? You have some sensitive document in your organization, so someone can upload it into your Google Drive and take it back to your home or something like that, or share to some different vendor who is your competitor or something like that. So that if someone wants to download anything for your that PDF file, Word file, anything, then then it will be a issue from you. Some kind of file have content some virus or all, mostly exe files and dls file. You in your organization you have open everything. Now I'm just going to download I'm just going to give you example of antivirus file automatically download in your system. So many files if you are using Windows, then it'll automatically download so many files. Previously now it is little bit restricted, but yeah, previously it will download automatically so many files. When antivirus, you can download VLC player, everything you will just go and download is and you have to install. So that need to be restricted in your organization. So that's we are going to create a file type control. I'm just give you example, you will understand. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to understand. I'm just going to add a file type control policy in Zscaler. I have already told you this part is most or related the same policy, the number of policy where you have to place those policy. Admin rank, if you have 0 admin rank, then you are higher priority. If you have admin rank 7, then it will be lower priority. Now if I do have create a admin rank with 0, the policy can be edit, modified or deleted by the same rank or me. If someone is can create a policy in 4, then above 3210 have the capability to edit delete policy, but 567 they are not capable enough. But even someone has the 4 admin rank, he can able to edit modify that policies. So this is the how admin rank works. Rule name, I can put my name, your name. I am just give you example. Exe, sorry, exe file do WNLOAD Okay, rule status enable. Now what I'm doing to file type, go to here, exe, Windows executable file. I hope you are already aware of it. Now who? URL category, any I can select URL category, ZP application statement, cloud application, user I can restrict it for users, but I'm just creating, I have to put the username and all. Groups I can select location department. Most of the part you can see everything in the same for the other policy. In now which kind of protocol, same. Minimum file size, maximum file size, I can mention that 2 KB file size, 5 KB, 1 MB, 2 MB, that measured, and you have to password protected file. And can now the most important part, allow action. Allow, I'm just going to block what, download, upload both. You cannot able to upload exe, you cannot able to download exe. Now you have to put a number, exe, blah 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 blah, then save it. Then this is will be your policy where you have to activate it. Then see, I have uses the admin rank 4, that's why it automatically come to top. Okay, now I'm creating one more file. Now I'm just using this 3, I'm using this admin rank 1 PDF. F-I-L-E, file, B-L-O-C-K, block. For U-P-L-O-A-D, upload, not download. Sorry, for upload. I'm just creating a file, PDF file block, upload, not for download. ठीक है. Now, if you can go and select, see, I'll just give you example, WHATS, WhatsApp, search, let me check. Instant messaging, I can use WhatsApp. You cannot upload anything, but you can download if we have the policy. But WhatsApp wave, okay, you cannot able to. But if you are using WhatsApp application in your organization, then it will be some difficulties we are facing. Okay, URL category, you can mention URL category if you have. I'm just giving these two. Then I am, this is or, this is not and this is or, either this, either or. There is or, everything is or, this or this or this is not and. This and or, I have already told you what is the difference between and or. And means if I am putting and, then we have to, this category and as well as this category need to be matched, then the policy will be able to apply. And or means either this, either this group, either this department, either this means anyone is will match, it will be. Now what I have to see, unscanned file, if you can allow, password protected file, if you can allow, if you can allow, active content, it is automatically, see, I think, enable this through the button, apply the file type control, this control the application only for Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and PDF file. Okay, action, block, for I am using upload, means nobody can upload a PDF file in WhatsApp web. Error, validation error, double click before you saving. Now need to be checked where I have missed file type. So I haven't now. PDF. If I'm go to now, you can see I can I will now I can just, you can just mention anything, a PDF file block or something, save. This way you can create application base. See, if I'm admin rank use, I am by default automatically come up the top. I'm creating one, I'm ranking 7, I'm creating one block policy. Mm, block. What is caution? Caution means you are come with a caution page. I'll show that one as well. Now file type I'm using mm, um, dot D, DLL. Sorry, dot will be not DLL. I think it will come. Okay, done. Okay, admin rank same for file type DLL. Okay, I'm just not going to do anything. Caution. Okay, if I'm just going to do that caution, then it will come a page, like if you are just using a page like http colon slash slash, when you're using firewall port, there's no if you are just have to go to advanced, then accept that and then it will come. So same thing here, the caution is also same. Okay, so action, save. See, the allow. See, if I'm just admin tank 7, then I'll automatically go down. Caution is downloaded. For which one? Windows executable file.dll or something like that. Getting my point? So how you can restrict block based on the URL, based on the application? If you need to upload download, means if you can wants to download. Now I'm just using MPG. Then what will be your application? Most of the cases YouTube or something like that. You can use search here, uh, or you can do file sharing. You can use AIML caution. Okay, so if you select this, there is thousands of, so you have to select this way. Okay, I'll put AIML. Now I'm streaming media ASTE. Uh, Streaming media. See somewhere streaming media. I'm clicking here. If I want to select one by one, it will be a huge. I'm just clicking this two streaming media. Now what I'm going to do, I can give you the permission to download, but I'll give you maximum file size will be 1 MB. Mm-hmm. KB. I think it will be 10 to the 20, 10 MB maximum one. I think it's 10 MB. Uh, uh, mm, Minimum, maximum 10 MB. I can do it. Uh, Maximum file size. Um, Minimum file size. See, enter value minimum between ATO to ATO KB. Apply maximum file size. Okay, then I'll do one extra, and here I'll just put extra. Minimum file size. Mm, we have to do it on. Okay, okay. I think one more. How much? One more. If you can go 50409 KB. If I'm just copy this. Sorry, I forgot that. Google MB. Oh, 400 megabytes. 400 megabytes. Then. Mm, yeah, you think, yeah, I do not know the MBKB maths. I do not have any option. 10 MB is in KB. Okay, 1000. Now what you have to do? Mm, uh, এত KB to, let me check it. Give me this option or not. 20. Why it is not showing? Enter a number value between 0 to এত KB to apply minimum file size limit. And then category to policy evaluation. Okay. Uh, why it is not going to take this number? 10 MB. Okay. Mm, I'm just checking one thing. Give me a minute. এত KB in MB. 102? No, no, I'm not going to give this much. Okay, okay. Now it is taking 10 to 20. Allow action download. Now what it will give if are using, you have to apply these changes, active this one. Okay, so now I have allowed a file type video file. If wants to download someone, so it is maximum 10 to 20 MB file it can be able to download. So this way you can restrict your file type control based on the application, based on the policy, based on the user, based on the either upload or download, either upload download both and all. Okay, if you have any question, let me know. Okay, next we will go for bandwidth control, the SSL inspection. Okay, then I will go and create this one. What happened, brother? Malware protection. Oh, hmm. I am not sure sometime what happened to them. Hmm. Web security to I'll cover these four in a same day. Then yeah, DLP will be a single call, single video. Then file firewall will be taking one day. The FTP control same. Here we can see file type. If you want to go here, HTTP, HTTPF. No problem. We'll go for the next one. Thank you. Jai Hind.